Hi, Dave.
Dusty.
We seem to do this a lot, don't we?
Yeah, we work on a lot of cars.
Today, very special rundown video. Brand new Lamborghini SVJ. I am stoked.
This is a sickening, amazingly awesome car.
So what did you do before we start?
So this car has a set of our Sport Cat pipes and our X-Pipe, Valvetronic X-Pipe.
So we have the high flow catalytic converters on this car.
Yes, our 200 cell HGS cats.
We don't need to do a tune.
Nope.
We put this on, no check engine light. This is now going to be a great car. We don't have to worry about any of the emission issues, no smell. We've got this thing nailed.
If this is your daily driver, I want to be your best friend.
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. One of the things about this car is that the heads are going to spin no matter where we're at.
Too much, actually. Sport Cats really unleashed the sound without the overwhelmingness of the cat bypass pipes, which I have noticed.
So at 3,500 RPM, we got the windows open a little bit. We can have a conversation.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not too bad at all. Oh.
He can't get his phone out quick enough.
Okay.
The real secret here is our X-Pipe. That's what's giving that amazing sound.
So tell me what the X-Pipe is doing.
So it's creating a scavenging effect. It's equaling the two banks, and it's giving that ripping, roaring sound. It really gives it that high-pitched scream that you want from a Lamborghini V12. Let her go! That was only $6 grand.
There we go. Wow! That's awesome.
That's 700 at the tire.
This was fun.
Another day.
Another day, another SVJ.